Excuse me. Hello, Carl. Hello, Keem. Hi, Nina. Hello, Devon. Hello, Elijah. Hola, Karen. Hola, Hilder.
Morning, Mr. Weiss.
Morning. What does a clock do when it's hungry? It goes back for seconds. It goes back 4 seconds. What's the easiest way to make a glowworm happy? Cut off its tail. It'll be delighted. What do you call a belt made of watches? A waste of time. Why did Adele cross the road? To say hello from the other side. What's the best way to carve wood? Whittle by whittle. What did the teacher do with the students' report on cheese? She graded it. What's the difference between a piano and a fish? You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a fish. What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? I'm 80. Jim Brilla hiked in pre-rookie for the first time. You're nervous. How do you organize an astronomer's party? You plan it. What's the action like at a circus? Intense. All righty. All right, let's do something crazy easy today. All right. We're going to find the measure of an arc, the angle measure of an arc. Okay. So we're going to be referring to this arc right here. Okay. And here's how easy this is. If this angle here is 72 degrees, then the arc is also 72 degrees. As long as we're talking about the angle is from the center. That's the center there, okay? That's it. The reverse is true as well, meaning if the arc is 71 degrees, then this angle here is 71 degrees. That's it. Just like that. Okay. Now, what if we have a circle and the angle goes all the way to the other edge? Okay. So if this arc here is 100 degrees, then that means that the angle is 50 degrees, half. If the angle goes all the way to the other edge, then it's half. Okay. All right. So even if you see an angle like this, it's also going to be half. The angle will be half. If I tell you this here, this angle is 15 degrees, that means that the arc over here is 30 degrees. Okay. Oh, don't worry, Nina. I'm going to complicate your life. Don't you worry. All right. But can I have a thumbs up so far if you understand what I'm saying thus far? Thank you, Joel. Devon, Nina, very good. Carl Daniels, thank you. Joel, thank you. Misa, thank you. Okay. Very good, very good. All right. Next. So take a look here. All right. Now, it's asking for a measure of angle CBE. People have trouble with what that angle is. So here's what you have to do. You have to put your pencil on the C and then go to B and then go to E. All right. So in other words, we're talking about this angle here. All right. And if that arc is 62, this angle is 62. So to find the entire angle, all I got to do is add 62 plus 53. It's okay. I need you to get off the phone during the lesson, please. If the call is that urgent, please take it in the hall. Okay. Okay. All right. 115 degrees. Easy. Okay. This entire angle is 115. Okay. Same idea here. All right. Again, if that arc here is 50 degrees, this angle here is also 50 degrees. The question is, what's DBF? Put your pencil on D, you go to B, and then you go to F. So we're talking this entire angle here. Again, I just add 65 plus 50. And this answer is also 115 degrees. Okay. All right. How about here? What is the measure of arc DGE? What is arc DGE? You start at D, you go around through G, and you go all the way to E. That is arc DGE. Right? Would you agree that an entire circle is 360 degrees? Okay. So what if I just subtract this 45, right? If I subtract 45, I'll have arc DGE, which equals 315 degrees. Okay. So if you have what's called the major arc, an arc that's greater than 180 degrees, you're going to need three letters. Okay. Because if I only had two letters, if I said what's arc DE, DE is not blue. DE is the yellow arc. That's DE. But DGE is the blue arc. Okay. Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand the difference between arc DE and arc DGE? Thank you, Carl Daniels, Nina, thank you, Devon, Akeem, Elijah, Karen, thank you. Very good. Joel, thank you. Carl Berry, you there? Carl
Yeah, I'm
Berry.
right here. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay. All right. So what is arc UQ? UQ does not go all around the circle. It just goes from U to Q. That's arc UQ. Now, I'm going to ask you to recall vertical angles. Who remembers vertical angles? Remember in vertical angles? You remember that this angle is congruent to this angle. Remember that? Vertical angles. Okay. So here, if this guy here is 65, that means this angle is 65. If this guy here is 50, this angle here is 50. What do these two add up to? These two add up to 115. So by vertical angles, if that's 115, this angle's 115. And if that angle's 115, well, hey, the arc is 115. That's your answer. Easy, man. Okay. All right. I need you to take out your handy dandy calculator, whether you have your phone calculator or your regular calculator, and turn it sideways. Okay. Turn your calculator sideways. Okay. And you got your calculator sideways. All right. So find the area of a sector. We found the area of a circle. All right. Remember that the area of a circle, area equals pi r squared. Remember that? Pi r squared. So the area of the entire circle equals pi times 11 squared. All right. So would you please press the pi key? You see the pi key? It's on the bottom row there, at the very bottom. That pi key. I want you to press pi times 11. And then the squared key. See the x squared key, x to the 2? Hit that, x to the 2. And then hit equals. And you've got 380.13, right? But we're not done now, because that's the entire circle. 380.13. Don't hit clear yet. Right. We have a 60-degree angle here. Do you agree that this 60-degree piece of the circle is going to be 60 3/60ths, because it's 60 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. Okay, so here's what you do. You leave this 380.13 and you hit times 60 divided by 360. Hit equals. And you get 63.355. That's 63.36. 63.36. Right? Because 355, that second 5 rounds the first 5 to a 6. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you got 63.36 on your calculator? Carl Daniels, thank you. Nina, thank you. Elijah, thank you. Devon, Joel, thank you. Misa, thank you. Carl Berry, you still there?
Yeah, it's just that my reaction doesn't work.
Your
I don't know
reaction
why.
doesn't work. All right.
Yeah,
Then
I
can
can't.
you put in the chat, can you just say yes? Because were you able to get 63.36 on your calculator?
Yeah, I heard
Yes,
what
you
you.
did.
Yeah,
So just,
yeah.
can you type that in the chat? Just say yes.
All right.
That's good. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's try this one. All right. Once again, area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared. So would you please type the pi key times 13, hit the x squared key. Okay. We got hit the pi times 13, hit the x squared key, and then equals. All right. You're going to have 530.93. All right. But you see, we have a 150-degree piece of the circle. So please type times 150 divided by 360. Times 150 divided by 360. You should get 221.22. This time it does not go up to 23. 221.22. Thank you, Hilder. Okay. Can I have a thumbs up if you got 221.22? Carl Daniels, thank you. Joel, thank you. Devon, Nina, Elijah, Carl Berry, it's working. Karen, thank you. Misa, thank you. Very good, very good. Next one. All right, 120 degrees. Let's go again. Area equals pi r squared. On your calculator, we're going to hit the pi key and then hit times 4 and hit the x squared key. So pi times 4, hit the x squared key, hit equals, and you've got 50.27, but we're going to hit times 120 divided by 360. Times 120 divided by 360 equals 16.76. 16.76. Okay. Over here. Once again, area equals pi. Yeah.
Can you back a little bit because my answer was 2.79?
2.79. All right. let's try again. Would you hit pi times 4 squared? 4, hit the x squared key, and then equals. You should have this 50.27. And then we do times 120 divided by 360. Did you get that, Karen?
I got it. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. All right, area equals pi r squared. Okay. Area equals, we're gonna pi times 11 squared. Type that in your calculator. Pi times 11, hit the x squared key, equals 380.13. But we're gonna do times what divided by what? What? 45 3/60ths. So we're gonna hit times 45 divided by 360. You should get 47.52. 47.52. May I have a thumbs up, please, if you got 47.52. Karen, thank you. Carl Daniels, thank you. Nina, Devon, Elijah, Carl Berry, thank you. Joel, thank you. Misa, thank you. Very good. Very good. Hakeem, you still there? Haven't heard from you today. No thumbs ups from you today. You there? You at your computer? All right. Have you been paying attention? Have you been using your phone calculator? Have you been getting those answers? Okay.
Why is it
Yeah.
teaching?
All right. Good. All right. Okay, let's take a look at your what does your assignment look like today? Hey, we got a Delta Math assignment. All right, the first part is as easy as it gets. Okay. So arc FH is 114. That means FGH is 114. Okay. Now, here it goes all the way to the edge of the circle. DF is 98. What's half of 98? Half of 98 is 49, right? 49. Okay. EG is 56. Angle EFG is 56. Easy. Arc MP is 98. MNP is 98. ADC, the angle is 18. What's the arc? You got to double the arc. The arc is 36. 18 times 2 is 36. Angle ADC is 53. Double it to find arc AC. 106. Okay. Angle KNM is 53. What's arc KM? Double it. 106. Easy. Okay. And the other, we're going to find the area of a sector. Okay, here, take a look. Very easy. You turn your calculator sideways. Do this with me. Here we go. Ready? Angle DEF is 68 and DE is 12. DE is 12. That means the radius is 12. So we're going to do pi r squared. Hit the pi key. Pi times, hit 12, hit the x squared key. Then do times 68 divided by 360 equals 85.45. It says nearest hundredth, so it's 2 decimal places, 85.45. Done. Again, ready? Here we go. Hit the pi key. Pi times radius is 15. Hit 15 and the x squared key. Times 62. 62 divided by 360. 121.74, right? 121.74. 121.74. Boom. Yes. Oh, okay. Same thing. Here we go. We're going to hit pi, hit the pi key, times 5, hit the x squared key, times, it's 106 divided by 360. You get 23.13, right? 23.13. 23.13. Boom. Yes. There we go. Okay. So yes, decimals will be expected for today's answers. 2 decimal places. Point something something. Okay, go to Delta Math and the 10.1.1. And please, you should easily finish before the end of the period. Yeah. I don't know. You pi. No, very fine. Oh, so, you go, yeah, go back. Huh. Let's see. So, do you have, can you go to your calculator? Oh, no. So hit the pi key, pi times. I now go back to the phone. 15. Squared times. I think it's a 36 degrees. So 36 divided by 36 equals 7.69. No, 90.69. Now, would you understand how we did that? We pi times 15 squared times 36 divided by 360. That's what you wrong. Okay? Make sense? You good there? All right. So what is the unit equal and what is the angle equal? Come on. Okay, so on your calculator, I'm gonna do it too. Here we go. Hit pi times 20, hit the x squared key, times 68 divided by 360. You should get 237.36. Does that make sense? Oh, Karen, okay, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. All right, Carl Daniels, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Joel. I'd like to see you do the assignment before this one on Delta Math. Wait. No, I take that back. So you do that assignment, please. You're Ioni. Um, I don't have a grade for you for that assignment there, Devon. Why don't you do that before you go? Um, okay, let's do this. You both forgot how to do it. All right, hold on. I got a plan for that too. All right. So go to that video and forward to the part that you don't remember. Okay. Yep, go ahead.
Mr. Weiss, necesito ayuda.
Okay. What is the number of units? Okay, never mind. Go ahead. All right. So on your calculator,
Mhm,
all right, hit the pi key, right?
mhm,
Times 4, hit the x squared key, times 34 divided by 360 equals.
Gave me,
4.75.
okay.
Do you understand how we did that?
Yeah, you rounded.
Yeah, but do you understand how I got?
Yeah, I was doing that, but I put 34.
75. It's 4.75.
There it is.
Okay.
So the pi then
Times
15, right?
15, and then you hit what key,
X squared
right? Times,
times 50
uh-huh,
divided by 360.
very good, hit equals.
98.174.
I
That's
didn't do it.
17, right?
Pi times 15 squared times 50 divided by 360. 98.17, yep, that's it.
Thank you, Mr. Weiss. You are the man.
I am the man. You should take my class next year, Algebra 2.
You're gonna explode my brain.
That's, you know what? I'm going to convince you that you are a genius math student.
My brain doesn't want to work, Mr. Weiss. Too much
Tough.
math stuff.
Elijah, hold on a second. I want to see something before you go. Like, you only got a 50% on that last assignment. What if you tried that assignment again? See if you can get a better score than 50%. Hello, Monday. Can you tell me where Mr. Prout is this period? I understand. And I understand. I understand. Prout. This is 7:30. Okay, thanks. Bye. Going okay over there, Amy? Okay. Okay, so if it's, it doesn't go from the center, it goes all the way to the edge. So, if GJ is 70, then this angle is gonna be half or 35. So that's it. That one also. Do. This one, the same, because it's at the center, not all the way to the edge, it's just not a one.
Mr. Weiss, necesito ayuda, ¿no?
Okay.
La respuesta es 12.00.
No.
No sé,
86. Oh,
86.
no, oh, sorry. I thought you were in the first section. My fault. Okay. So what did you do? Pi
Yes, I'm exactly right. Pi
times
times 4
4 x
x squared.
squared times 86 divided by 360 equals, yeah, 12.01. 12.01. There you go.
Okay, let me try with this.
Yep.
Okay. Una mano, Mr. Weiss. Okay, Mr. Weiss.
Okay, Hilda.
See you Friday then.
Hey, what about, could you, hold on. How about a retry? Wait, no, not that. That. Let me see something.
Wait.
Hold on, let me just see. Hey, you got a 40, you should do better than that.
Second one?
Yeah, the last thing in the chat. Amy, go say hi to Mr. Prout.
All right, I'm done, Mr. Woods.
Okay, Joel. Um, well, Hilda, is it okay? The answer to is it okay is no. So here's what I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you is you should look at that video again. And then do it again. Just forward to the part you don't remember how to do. And then do it again. Then, yes. So, you need to know 40 is not okay. No problem. All righty, gang, I'm gonna end today's meeting. Get your work done. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.